Participatory pension scheme members can withdraw 25% paid by us. This kind of money can be withdrawn through the NSDL website. Let's see how to withdraw money online. NPS website link is added below the video. After opening the website, enter the user ID and password. PRAN number is the user ID. This is what it looks like when you sign in. Transact Online is the first of these. Then you will see the investment summary. Transaction statement and other information can be found here. If the year is selected and submitted. Annual statement is also available. Here is the part where we have to change the details like mail, ID, bank account, etc. This is the link to file a complaint. Views. Here you can see our personal information, bank account information, etc. Please check all this information before withdrawing the money. If you look here, you can also know where our nodal office is. Continuation and withdrawal. Here you have the option to withdraw money. Select Tier 1 partial withdrawal below and enter Initiate Request. Enter the Submit. Sometimes this cannot be done all the time. If it is written that it can only be done during business hours, then do it during that time. While submitting, we can see if we have previously withdrawn the amount and also the amount we have invested afterwards. Maximum withdrawal from it is 25%. Select the percentage. Then you have to select reason. Choose a reason that is as genuine as possible. Later, related documents should be uploaded. Enter the Submit. Upload the relevant documents as reason. Then enter Confirm. Select the declaration. Then select Bank Account Verification. Don't forget to check that the bank account information is correct before that. Enter Verify. Give OK. Then select Confirm. Here the withdrawal form we have prepared can be viewed if needed. Then select OTP. Please proceed. We will get 2 OTPs. OTP will come to our mobile and mail ID. Online application submission can be completed only if these two are provided. First enter mobile OTP. Then check the OTP given in the mail ID and enter it. Then select the option Submit OTP. Select Download Withdrawal Form. You will get that filled withdrawal form. This form does not need to be submitted anywhere. Once this is done, the amount will be credited in the account for a maximum of 3 to 4 working days. Don't forget, there is no need to submit the physical form anywhere.